In today's video, I'm doing a tutorial for this fall Lino makeup look. I'm also finalizing my 10-item capsule wardrobe, so I hope that you'll join me. Hello everyone, Jennifer here, and welcome to the Daily Connoisseur. So let's start off with my fall Lino makeup look, which I am wearing for you right now. It's like a slightly elevated fall look, and I'm using Merit makeup, and Merit have sponsored today's video. This sponsorship is so exciting for me because I have used Merit for years. They are such a high quality makeup brand. I'm sure you already know about them, so it's quite exciting because we have joined together and I have created a custom set with 7 of my favorite products. If you're interested in seeing my custom set, you can check it out down below. You get a 15% off discount, which amounts to around $30 off. I'm telling you that discounts for Merit are not easy to come by, so the fact that I have one is pretty incredible. So I hope that you check it out down below, and let's get into the tutorial right now. Okay, I'm going to begin by applying the Great Skin Moisturizer. And now I'm going to apply the Minimalist. I'm using the shade Caramel. And I just like to put it in lines all over my face, under my eyes. I'm taking the Merit brush and rubbing it in. So I kind of use this as a concealer and a foundation as well. And this is really good for natural lighting. Like if you're gonna be outside and you just want your skin to look really natural, it's not a heavy, cakey foundation, but it provides good coverage. Next, I'm going to apply the Solo Shadow, and this is in Social. It's like a purplish shade, which looks good with green eyes especially, so I like this shade a lot. And with the Merit brush, on this side you can apply the eyeshadow, and on this smaller side you could double up the eyeshadow kind of like an eyeliner. So I'll show you how that works. So I'm applying this quite thick, and don't worry, I'm going to blend it. Already you can see how much bigger this eye looks. Okay, I'm going to blend this in with a blending brush to just get rid of any harsh lines. I'm going to use one of their darker shadows. This is Nelson, and I'm going to use that as an eyeliner. So I'm going to take the smaller part of that eyeshadow brush and just create some definition at the lash line. Okay, I'm going to put the eyeshadow on the other side now. So Social first, and then the other one for an eyeliner. Okay, now I'm going to apply the Clean Lash Mascara. And now for the cheeks, I'm going to put on the Flush Balm in Fox. So I love this cream blush because you can apply it, you know, just directly onto your cheeks. So it's quite dark, but don't worry. I'm going to blend it in. You could use your hand or a sponge just to blend it in. That's quite dark. I know it's dark, but don't worry. I'm just going to take my fingers and blend it in. So it's important to get those edges especially, make sure everything's blended in. Oh, that's like a nice color. Okay, and this is one of my all-time favorite products of theirs. It's the Day Glow, and I'm trying a new shade this time. They have a few of them. This is Citrine, and it's like a golden glow. So this is like a highlighting balm, and you can put this all over if you want, but I really like to highlight the tops of my cheeks because it just pops in a beautiful way. It's like you're glowing. Oh, it's so pretty. Let's see if you can see it. I'm going to do the shade Maison in their signature lip. And this is one of the matte shades, and it's so perfect for fall and winter. So here we go. Now I can leave the lips like that, but I'm going to go over it with the gloss, which is the Shade Slick in Maple Tin. And this is a beautiful color, so I'm just going to dot it on to give it another layer of dewiness and glowiness. So there you have it. That's the finished Le No makeup look with a slight edge toward fall. Okay, let's talk about fall 10-item wardrobe. We are almost done compiling the wardrobe for this season. This year, I really am trying to search for new brands that I could feature for you, some affordable prices. And so I found this brand called Pack, again on Instagram. I found all of my brands this year, Doen, Quince, and now Packed on Instagram. And I ordered this dress to try it out. So this is their crepe wrap dress, and it comes in a bunch of different patterns and colors, but I chose this Wildflowers Cafe dress. And so it's like a black with some cream and green on it in wildflowers. And I thought that this would look not only good for fall, but also into winter as well. The dress is $88, so I feel like it is, you know, I mean, it's still kind of like a high price point, but it's not as pricey as some things are. So I'm going to test it out this season. Let's see how the quality is. I like the dress because it has a wrap design, but it also seals all the way. So sometimes when you wear a wrap dress, it blows open in the wind and then your underwear is exposed. But that's not happening with this dress. It does tie right here. My only thoughts are that it's really low cut. And I think it could be because I have a smaller chest, but this is a bra basically. But I have a lot of camisole bras that look like camisoles when you wear them, so I think it's okay. You just see this little patch of fabric, but if I didn't have that, it would be too low cut. It runs big. This is a size small and it's kind of big on me, but not so big that I would go a size down. And I'm looking forward to styling this season. There's so many different ways that I can wear this. So let's move into thoughts on unexpected pairings, because that's what I want to talk about in today's video. Oh, but before I forget, really quickly, the way I found Packed was through their panties. So I saw a panty ad on Instagram from Packed, and ever since Davy Piper closed and my favorite undergarments are no longer made with them, I've been looking for the perfect panty. So I ordered Pack's panties, and I'll do an update for you on those. I want to try them out and see how they're doing. But anyway, notice they did clothing as well. So I ordered this dress. And also I wanted to mention that this is organic and made in a fair trade factory. So there you go. That's that. And I'm excited to explore Packed this season. Let's talk about the unexpected pairings. I like to add unexpected pairings to my 10-item wardrobe because it just adds a bit of whimsy, a little twist on a classic. And I either like to contrast textures or fabrics or colors or, you know, just some way that I can bring in unexpected things together that work. And it's good to get creative like this when you have a capsule wardrobe, because you can make your looks, you know, stretch out. So the other new item that I wanted to share with you in this video is by Goelia, and it's this short sleeve cardigan. Now this is very Chanel inspired because it has the gold buttons, it's got that wonderful thick tweed fabric, and it's so chic. I absolutely love this cardigan, and living in Southern California, it's nice to have a short sleeve black cardigan. So I can wear this cardigan, for example, with the Lily Silk olive safari silk trousers. And if you look at the combination there of, you know, the kind of classic chic, really put together ladylike cardigan that you might expect to pair with a black skirt, you know, the black A-line skirt, for example, which would also look really good. It's a bit unexpected with the thin silky fabric from the Lily Silk pants. And then also I'm taking it a step further by adding another texture and wearing it with the velvet smoking slippers by John Joseph. So that's what I mean by unexpected pairings. As soon as this dress came in, I decided to try some unexpected pairings with it as well. And I put the short sleeve cardigan on with this dress, and I love it. I love that I get different looks out of this dress, and you can see the skirt out of it. This dress also looks good with my Lily Silk cable knit navy cardigan, and of course with my black J. Crew trench coat. I could wear a variety of shoes with this dress. I could wear this with my over-the-knee riding boots, lug shoes, smoking slippers, ballet flats. It would go really great with my opaque hip stick tights, and there's just a variety of ways that I can wear it. So I'll tell you why I bought this dress in particular is because I wanted an everyday dress that was like short sleeves. I could wear it if it was hot, kind of like a dress that I could wear to do a variety of activities, and I wouldn't be worried in the back of my mind about, you know, ruining it or anything. This, you know what I mean? This is one of those dresses. So I'm really looking forward to wearing it this fall, and I will report back to you on how it wears. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much to Merit for sponsoring. Get 15% off my custom set and shop the new Merit Great Skin Moisturizer with my link. Every first order gets a free signature makeup bag, and every order over $40 gets free shipping. Thanks so much for joining me today on The Daily Connoisseur. Keep calm and remain classy, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.